What's up? So I bought some more cigars. They was on sale, so got probably like 40-ish cigars, something like that. Different kinds, a couple samplers, different things I try. This should probably last me years, cause I'm a very light smoker. But it came in 2 days early, so. Let's see what I got. Thumbs up. Here we go. Alright. So first off, we have that. Caribbean World's Churchill Premium Cigars. I have to open them just to see. They're a 2-pack. It was for $5 or $2.50 a piece. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's cool. They only had like I think 2 packs left, and I had to get that. Go away. Anyway, way out there. I go over the prices. That was $5.20. So, alright. Got this one. That one. Hot. A bit of them. That's, what's this? Alright, let's go over these. Alright, I go over the single ones and I go over the samplers. So these are the ones that I ordered singles. All the cigars, well, for the most part, every cigar I got is Churchill, which are the big cigars. Most of the prices was around $3 to $4, depending on what it is. So, famous Nick 4000 Churchill. Very nice long one. Imported Churchill, they only have one left of this. I forget the tobacco company, but it's a pretty good tobacco company based on what I looked at, but they only had one left. And I believe $5.50 for that, so, or sorry, $5.40 for that. Then we go Axe Churchill, one cigar. Axe, how much was it, Axe? Of course, screenshot it for you. Axe, $4.75. Let's see, factory throwaway, 99, number 99, one cigar. I got another factory throwaway that I haven't smoked yet, but I couldn't resist the deal. If I can find which one it was on paper. Factory throwaway, $2.50 for that big cigar. So. See how that is. I got the 69 version or the 66 version, so I'll try that one. What number was that? That's a 99, so I got the 60 something. Don Philippe Churchill cigar. And that was $1.80. Then we have AB Presidential Famous Churchill. No other markings on it. Then we have... So I already have one of these, I think, in my pack. It might be a different one. I have the same company. But, of course, I can't pronounce it. Anyway, this one was one I saved, screenshotted to take a picture of it. This is a presidential cigar, and I'm going to look for the, let's see, breed. They breed Tex. TTT. This is Mexican, so this is straight from Mexico. To my knowledge, it's Mexican grown. Nice, 8.5 inches. So compared, big difference. So nice little pack of freaking cigars there. And then we go into the other packs. So there was a sale. I was trying to get the sale, but then I found out I had to buy more stuff to get the sale, but I had a $10 rewards or $10 off if I spent $75. So go over this one. This is a value pack of 20 cigars for $23. So they have all the pretty good brands. Show you guys. They have 2 of each. So that's a nice value, in my opinion, for that. Had to get that, and I of course got the Churchills, the tallest ones. And then I was trying to get the deal, so that was $23.95, and then let's see, best, what's the other sampler? So then I got this one. So this is a nice sampler of whatever that word is. Can't spell, can't read. Open up. Damn. Flipping teeth. There's 2 Churchills, or 3 Churchills, and then one smaller one. Damn. Alright. So, Churchill, and then got this one and this one. All the same thing. And so because of the sale, because of the deals they had, if I spent like $8 more, I could have got the rewards. So this was $9 for this 4-pack. So this is the best other one they had, and of that company. Smaller one, not Churchill, 6-incher, and then yeah. So all those go there. I'll go back over this really quick. So this, I got a Soul Daddy. I really want to try that last one there, but I think that it probably will last me a long time. I told myself what I'm going to do is smoke the other ones I have, then go through this, and this is probably going to be my first one. This Caribbean one, or I'll just pick random, I guess. So, and I want to smell it. Smells really good. Really good. Smells like a damn tobacco farm. Anyway, that's that. I'll screenshot what I paid for it and stuff. Share this video. I don't know how many cigars that is. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 38 cigars for $82. It's not bad. That's what, $2 something a piece, $2.10 a piece. So really good deal. Again, this will last me a long time. So I'll put it in a cigar case, little thing I have, and go from there. See you guys.